Before electronics go into airplanes, drones, or satellites, they have to pass one very important step: testing. Modern electronics are incredibly complex. Thousands of signals, sensors, and communication lines. That means thousands of things that can go wrong. And one component can break $1 million system if not tested properly. So we built a test system that simulates the real world. Our solution helps verify that your system works before it reaches the customer. Whether it's a component electronics like this, actuator, harness, or a whole system. FPC delivers a test system that can measure thousands of signals, control equipment, and verify the behavior of any product. Instead of exhausting internal resources and stressing to meet tight deadlines, you simply give us the product and we'll figure out the rest and deploy a test station straight to your production floor. Most people never see test engineering when everything works perfectly. But that's because someone tested it. That is test engineering.